Portugal is home to iconic landmarks, sweeping views, world-class culinary experiences, and the most important place to visit, the world's most beautiful McDonald's? I guess it's only natural that they'd have the fanciest McDonald's in the world. Let's check it out and see if it earns its reputation, and let's see the food offerings that are specific to Portugal. The moment you walk in, you're hit with the impression that you're in for a fine dining experience. And it really is. They had automated counters, and we went to order our food. This McDonald's is located in Porto. It was originally a very famous coffee shop called Cafe Imperial, which kind of explains that eagle on the outside. And it's been in this location since the 1930s. It's seen as the pinnacle of Art Deco architecture, and you can really see that. I love that they preserve this history. Let's check this out and see if there's anything Portuguese specific. One cool thing I saw was the McPlant, which they don't have in America yet. These plant-based options are probably soon to be very popular. I went to Berkeley, and of course, like 3/4 of the student population is vegan. I feel like it's just gonna catch on as climate change gets worse. But anyways, there's fish fingers in the kids' meal section, which is new, definitely not something you'd see in America. And here's the McFlurry scroll. I like how they collab with these big branded candy companies. These were absolutely delicious. Should I get a snack wrap then? Dang, they don't have the soup today, guys. I was kind of bummed about them running out of the soup. The main reason I wanted to come here was to get the caldo verde, to try the McDonald's version of the famous Portuguese soup, because I had been drinking that with almost, what do you drink or eat a soup? Eating that with almost every meal. You could add baby carrots. I will definitely not be doing that. Ooh, a toy Orava. Is
it the toy?
Yeah, an audiobook. I actually write children's books, and now that I'm watching this pack, I really want a book, but I was kind of in the mood for some Pokemon cards. Alright. This cappuccino is actually pretty expensive compared to local prices. I ordered the McChicken wrap instead of like the fish sticks because I don't really necessarily want to eat fish sticks. And the McWrap I used to get when I was a kid, and they don't have that in America anymore. So I guess it is exclusively a kind of European Portuguese item. I really wanted to get a soup as a side, but they were all sold out, so no caldo verde today. So we got french fries instead. But the ambiance in here is really amazing. I feel like I'm in an old bank. I think it used to be. I was really off on that. I don't know where I got this impression. Something like that. I will insert the history of the building. The Swiss architect Ernesto Corrodi designed this Art Deco style, originally coffee shop, but I wonder how he'd feel knowing it's a McDonald's today. It opened in 1936. Apparently the locals call it McDonald's Imperial, which is kind of a cool name, very like Star Wars-like. The stained glass murals of the workers harvesting coffee beans also is still pertinent in today's society. It's definitely an interesting feeling to be eating McDonald's amongst very ornate chandeliers and wall carvings and reliefs. But I'm pretty excited to try this out. And they also have beer here. It's like $2, €2 for a beer. So it's funny to see people drinking beer with their McDonald's. Right, classic. McDonald's kids meal, Happy Meal. That's cute. That would have been if I got a book. I'd be a Happy Meal reader. We have a French fry. They give oh my gosh. This is a healthy serving of French fries. That's actually a big thing. It's kind of like a very small taco. And our toy. I don't know if the fruit juice is always like this, but it comes in its own plastic wrapping, which is part of the experience. I guess it's kind of like Christmas. You gotta open it up. The fries, I was surprised at the size of the fries. There's a bunch in here. I feel like in America they give you like 10 fries. That's a kid's size. And then the snack wrap's really cute. It's kind of small. But it's a big child size like serving. And I haven't had one of these in a long time. It's just that doesn't look great. But do you guys see the counter is so beautiful. They have kind of this automated system. Like a little animation going on to tell you to order. did go to real local Portuguese restaurants. If you want to see those videos, they're up on my channel too. How is it?
It's really good.
Wow.
It's better than America.
I wouldn't say the value is too great here. We got some wonderful bifanas the other day for $2.50, and something of, it's not even equivalent, but something that could be equivalent is around €6 here. So it's more of a novelty to come and try and check out the cool Porto McDonald's. For reference, here's the meal I had the other day with 2 fish, rice, and a salad for $6.50. This tastes exactly how it did when I was a kid. And I've seen trucks with this fruit juice everywhere, and it's really actually very good. I was surprised they didn't have like a soda option, but maybe for kids they don't have it here. And the fries, they're just standard American fare. This is recommended for kids 3 years or older, so I guess we're good in that front. This is cute. Okay. Oh wow, I've never opened up like my own Pokemon kind of pack before. Oh, it's like a Beyblade. Ooh, what is it?
Spin the bottle.
It's like a, oh, my bad. It's like a fidget spinner kind of thing. That's cute. Should I open the cards? Some American just came in and they said, it smells just like a McDonald's. Oh, okay, so it's like its own game. Alright, slow-mo unboxing. This is my first trading card pack. Pokemon. I had some for tops like Star Wars growing up. I still have those, the vintage cards. Ooh, wait, that's cool, very shiny. Okay, will I get a Charizard? Do these have resale value, or are they just like McDonald's issued? We got this one. This is cute. Grandpa, like Grandpa but a dragon. And beware. That was fun. I was thrilling. I see the appeal. Alright, that was our full review of McDonald's in Portugal. If you're visiting Porto, I'd recommend if it's on your way to just stop by and take a look at the architecture at the very least. And maybe get yourself a little snack wrap. Overall, it looks really imperial out here. Overall, a good visit. Definitely not the first place I'd get food in Portugal, but a fun novelty, if anything. Thanks for tuning in, and subscribe for more videos on the culinary delights of the world. And I'll post more Portugal videos soon, but you could check out my top 5 foods you should try before you leave Portugal. I'll link that right here. We're here for the entire month, so I have some great foods to share with you and some nice restaurant recommendations as well. Thanks for tuning in, and stay sweet.